Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Sony Bluetooth headphones. First, make sure your headphones have sufficient battery charge. Next, power off your headphones completely if they are currently on. Finally, place your headphones very close to the device you want to connect them to, ideally within 1 meter or about 3 feet, to ensure a strong initial signal. Now, let's get your headphones into pairing mode. If this is your first time connecting, your headphones might automatically enter pairing mode when you turn them on. For connecting to a second device, press and hold the power button for about 5 to 7 seconds. You will hear a voice guidance say, Bluetooth pairing, and see an indicator light flashing, signaling they are ready to connect. With your headphones in pairing mode, grab your device. Go to its settings and find the Bluetooth menu. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Your device will then scan for nearby Bluetooth devices. Look for your Sony headphones model name in the list of available devices and tap on it to complete the connection. You should hear a confirmation tone. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. First, try deleting any old pairing information for your headphones from your device's Bluetooth list. Then, restart both your headphones and the device you are trying to connect. If problems persist, you might need to initialize your headphones to their factory settings, which typically resolves most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.